Good morning, everybody. How are you? Did you miss me so much? I missed you very much. Okay, so I've been taking a little break from the markets, and funny, I already knew that Bitcoin is not gonna be very active. That's why I was like, well, that's a great time to just relax, to just sit back and relax and work on my other projects in life because I'm a very busy human being. Okay, so I did not like if we want to comment on the last idea I had before, which is this very outrageous idea, which I pretty much claim that Bitcoin should follow that path. But most importantly, I mark specific dates. That was actually before that date, which was actually before March 26th. Here, I did mark these days like very important days, one, two. Then I have another two important days, which is April 12th and April 21st. Uh, Funny enough that on that specific day, Bitcoin, before that, Bitcoin was not moving at all. But on that day, it did make a move. The move I expected to go, uh, I don't know, 7%. It went maybe even less than half. No, half, 3.5%. Then I said Bitcoin will consolidate, then it will go up again. What happened here at that moment, if you guys remember, that was the war against Binance. This is what made it a little weird. But if we didn't have that candle, it would have been also consolidation here, another consolidation here, which is this part, before going all the way up on that day. Like I expected 10% up, and actually it went from here to here. Let's see, exactly 10%. So only of that, if that candle never happened, then this would have been extremely 100% accurate because we would have been shifted all the way here. Then I said we're going to consolidate for up to April 12th, and seem like this is what is happening. Consolidate means up, down in a small channel. So again, I mark these dates. I'm still marking these dates. Very interesting dates. Very interesting is happening. Uh, there's a bigger thing I want to talk about, which is this one here. But this is a long term. You have to tell me here in the feedback comments. Hey, we want to know about this one. We need to know about this one. Please let us know about that one. Once you guys tell me enough about that one, I'm gonna show you something that will actually be interesting, mind blowing, and will, I don't know what to say. It will actually happen. That will be the future. I'll be pretty much showing you the future. Okay. So back to what is happening now. What is happening now is we are in this consolidation channel from March 28th up to April 12th. You should be seeing Bitcoin moving like that. I know there's a lot of people like, oh my god, Bitcoin gonna drop. There's a bearish divergence here, there's a bearish divergence there. I even had to try to use one of these indicator strategy things just to see what they say, because people are going crazy. You know what I'm saying? People are going crazy, and even it says here you need to sell, but I tell you, you don't really have to sell here, even if there's a little bearish divergence, because uh because of what I'm seeing here. Okay, and even if it goes down up to like 26, that's not going down to the crazy 25 level. Like we should never break that 25 level, because if we break the 25 level, that means that head and shoulders on the weekly is just fake, broken. That means it's just bad news. Okay, let me just take this thing away because it's a little confusing. It means really bad news. And what we're going through is not bad news. So, nope, it's not going to happen like that. Nope. It should not break this one. We're just like, okay, you know what? Let me play a game with you just to prove my point here. What do you think of this chart? This looks to me like almost head and shoulder, except for that shoulder is just a little weird because it's 10 times bigger than that one. Actually, like this is more of a real head and shoulder here. But let's just get back to this one. If I take a look at here, like how bullish bearish this thing looks, like you have this strong support. Why didn't think it should go all the way up? Well, the RSI is saying that it's been in downtrend from here uh, all the way down. What the hell? Okay, it's going all the way down. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, it should be going all the way down, but the thing is, like, I just got back on time about almost 11 months ago, right? 10 months ago. So if I look at the RSI, it does look bearish, and I have a support. And if I push one more, oh my god, it's going down. Is it breaking that support? No, it didn't really. Then another. I just want to see the whole history. Then you get this big candle. Big candle. If you were in the future, like I'm in the past, when you were at that moment, did you really think? I don't know if you were there or no, but if let's just think you were there, and I go to the daily, and take a look at the daily, and it looks a little bullish on the daily, right? It looks a little bullish. And does this remind you of something? This waste of time from 9th of May up to 1st of June. That's almost like almost a month of trading in this channel. It's really annoying. Just imagine people there having all their money. Just imagine a person who entered the market at 39K last year and then boom all the way down. Then he sees like that. Oh my god, thank God it didn't go all the way down. It should go back up again. I'm not gonna lose my mortgage. Oh my god, I'm not gonna sell the house. I didn't want to do that. But just imagine being that person who bought here and now they see it stay here for a whole month of agony and torment. And oh my god, you don't want to be that guy. You don't want to be that person. You don't want to be that creature because at that point they're not human anymore. They probably swore that they gonna go do bad things to bad people. Okay, so the thing is, once you're here, man, once you're here, uh, RSI looks going up, blah blah blah. If I push another one, still, oh my god, go all the way up, then go in that channel, then go down, then blah blah blah. Then I see this breaking. Does this mean it's gonna go all the way down? If I check the weekly, well, the weekly showed this, but before this, yeah, I want to get back to that one. If I do the replay again, yes, here, now you see it, and where's that one? Yeah. If you see this big candle, does this mean that this insane insane break happening, which I said it's a fake head and shoulders. It's a little fakey head and shoulder, if you just want to say it, or even the break of this massive strong resistance support, the 30K. Does this mean it's a reversal? No, because I've seen some people saying, oh, when we see that candle, that means it's going the other direction. It's a reversal candle, which is this candle. That candle is not really reversal all the time. You know what I'm saying? That's not really the rule all the time. It's never like that because there's so many things that affect the market. It's not just candle. If it's that easy that when you see this candle, it's always a reversal, then what's going on? Then why nobody is making money from the markets? Then why there is actually markets? Because if all of us are making money, then the market will go in one direction, which is down. Some people need to win, some people need to lose. Some people need to know how to read the market. Some people need not to know how to read the market so the others can make money. This is how it works. There's always need to be each time you make money on the market, somebody else lost money. Put this in your mind. Okay. So yeah, of course you're gonna go down, break, and it's just whatever was happening here. I would be looking at astrology to see what's happening now, but let's get back to where we at. So again, when I see this, people like to call it a reversal candle, like that one. That's not really a reversal. That means nothing. That means nothing. It's similar to that one. It means nothing. And you don't have to really say, well, it has to be like this 100%, blah 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 blah. Well, each time has its own difference. Like imagine that candle go all the way down here, then all the way up. So I'm not going to be looking at candles and just predict stuff. Maybe I'm going to be looking at volume and the relationship to candles. Like that one has the most volume, which is actually breaking this uh, crazy support resistance. And we had something similar. We had that candle breaking a support resistance. When you have something big like that, big volume, long change in price, that's a good sign. So back to what I was saying, I don't think we're gonna break, because if we break again, it's really weird. If we go all the way there, that's just gonna be really bad sign. If we do that, then yeah, you would be expecting Bitcoin to really creating a lower low. Like that means 10K. I don't see this here at all, because I told you something crazy happening in May. If you're not subscribed to me on YouTube, you need to do it now. If you want to know what's going to happen in May, if you're not following me on TradingView, you need to do it now. If you want to know what's going to happen in May, thanks, guys. The followers last time was below 100. Now it's 111. I would like to see this to 100 soon. So make sure to follow me now, and also on the YouTube channel. I think I have like 50 subscribers, something like that. I want to see that number also reach 100. So please, by the way, on YouTube, I did post something very interesting. I said Mars opposite Mars is a sign of people attacking Bitcoin. You can check my YouTube channel. You're going to see it. If you go on YouTube and type Chemastro, and in the community post, you're going to see me just saying that. I said they're going to be attacked, and we've been seeing a lot of attacks. We've been seeing a lot of attacks against Bitcoin lately. It's been crazy, and it will stop in a week from now, because that opposition will disappear in a week. All these attacks will be just gone. Okay, if I come back here, so long story short, yep, it looks like a very weak trend. It need to take a little break. I said that for the Elliott waves, it need to retrace back. 26 is fine, but the funny thing is, it has been retracing and going back and up in a channel. So that of its own is already consolidating. If it keep doing what it's doing now, it might create this bullish flag. Let's take a look at another one here to see if we can get it. Okay. Yeah, if I go to another one, if I go to this one, okay, let's get the daily. See, keep touching the 786. The 618 is the 25. Even if we go all 25, that's fine. Breaking under 25 is bad news. We do not see this happening. So you can see that there's a triangle happening here. You know what I'm saying? Which is fine. That's almost like a bullish triangle. Like if you keep going like that, that's totally acceptable. Okay. Okay. Jose, whatever. If you keep going like that, that's totally acceptable. Then a breakdown, it almost feels like a bullish flag. Okay. If we come here and see what's going on, well, what is going on here is status quo remains as is. Nothing's changing, except that tomorrow is a shift of energy. It's a start of a breathe of air. Is going to be tomorrow, yet we still have the strong opposition, so the attacks will remain for at least a week. I'm seeing tomorrow is pretty good compared to today, but at the same time, ah, I'm not. Bitcoin is kind of trapped in this area. Okay, it's a little trapped from here till April, whatever. 12th, April 12th is going to be really interesting, guys. Uh, there is a big shift of energy. Venus is going to Gemini here. That's a big shift in energy. And that guy will just leave alone, because that guy's a warrior. He was attacking a lot of planets of the Bitcoin, just going to go away. See a lot of blue. April 12th is supposed to be a really good day for Bitcoin. Mark my words. But from here to April 12th, I don't know. If you like scalping, maybe you be buying and selling, selling and buying small profits. If you go to small timely frame, that's a great opportunity. I definitely will be doing that. I don't know. uh, I was just trying to find a really good trading platform that gonna work when I'm living here in Canada. So if you are in Canada and you're using a trading platform, buy and sell quickly, you can let me know in the comments, please. That would be really helpful. I've been doing my research, but I didn't really find something I'm happy with. I've been seeing a lot of other, I don't know, trading exchanges. I buy my Bitcoin to keep it in my wallet, but I do wanna trade here. Maybe I'm gonna be even trading Ethereum because Ethereum is following the same stuff. Look at all these highs and look at how much money you can be making, man. Come on, you can be making a lot of cash here, quick cash. It's not really investment; it's just quick cash, and it's just come on, it's so simple. It's just once you go around that area, then sell. Once you go around that area, maybe that one, buy up and down, buy, sell, sell, buy. You can even use the RSI. RSI here, buy. RSI here, sell. So here you should be buying till you see a signal of this thing is crossing around the 60, uh, the 65. So maybe here even, you know what I'm saying? I can even draw a line here at the 65. Yeah, here. And I would even go, yeah, 30 is enough. I'll put my 30 here. So you just buy between here and there. One, see here, sell, then here, buy. Come on, that makes good money. Like if I come here and check how much it went all the way down from here, like if I come here and get my signal at that point, don't be like that. Okay. Then I stop it here. Look at that. You made like 4%. Come on, that's good money. That's good money. 7% Ethereum. 7% in Ethereum. So if you put $100, you made seven. If you put $1,000, you made $70. That's good. It's good money. $70. It's not bad. In 2 or 3 days, it's good money. You can have a nice dinner with that. Okay. So yeah, you can definitely do scalping here. It's a great opportunity. Come on, let's just make some money there. You can definitely make some money in this regard. Uh, I can be sharing my trades if you want. Just let me know in the comments, please. Chemastro, share your trades with us. We want to be following you. That's another thing. Same here in Bitcoin. You can see also some really nice, interesting opportunities. Like if I bring my line also here around the 65, it says sell here, but the thing is, Bitcoin is reversing in a very tight, smaller one. That's why I like Ethereum more. But if you sell here and you wait for the signal here, it's not bad because it's still from here to here, but you missed these opportunities. You know what I'm saying? Another thing, also, you need to know how to read these patterns. I was thinking of creating an indicator for you guys. Just let me know. Also, that's a great opportunity because there was a pattern here, a bearish currently that also great in scalping. So there's so many ways you can be making money from trading. There's a long term when you put your money and it goes all the way up exponentially, and when it's consolidating like this, you can make so much money scalping up and down. Through a week, you can be making, I don't know, 10%, 20%, 30% of your initial investment. Come on, that's a lot of money. Bitcoin did 70% to 70% 7 months, but you can be making up and down really good freaking money because yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, you can be making really good money. Like each time you buy here goes how much? And if we see you're not gonna market 100%, no, I don't like that one. That one's much better. Here you go, 4%. Come on, 9%. Keep adding up. Are you gonna catch all of these? 5%, 10, 5, 5, we're almost 20. Come on, we're almost 20, 25. Let's just say even got 15%. Come on. Put $1,000, $150 in what? Between 27th to April 3rd, you get two nice dinners. Okay. Uh, that's pretty much it. It's consolidating from here up to April 12th. Great chance, scalping up and down. For scalping, I'm not gonna follow this thing because it doesn't move that fast, and if it moves that fast, it's not gonna be that powerful. I don't know. It's not something to be. I didn't really find a relationship yet. For scalping, I can see longer trends here, but I can definitely use my RSI, MACD, whatever. But RSI is much faster, much accurate in the smaller time frames. Even if you jump into the 30-minute, you can make some really good money. Just let me know, guys, because Yeah, I haven't traded in a while scalping, and this is a great opportunity. Come on, let's just do it together. Okay,